Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make WhatsApp Business API for sending bulk message to WhatsApp Business. So I will be showing you at least two methods. The first one is via Business WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to open WhatsApp Business, tap on the three dots and select New Broadcast. Choose the contacts you want to include up to 256. Write your message and then send. The message will be sent individually to each contact and they will only see your message, not the other recipients. However, only contacts who have saved your number will receive the broadcast. Okay, number two is you can send bulk messages using Respond.io. So all you have to do is to sign up on Respond.io. It integrates WhatsApp Business API for managing messages at scale. So as you can see, I have set up my account right here. It's just very easy. All you have to do is to simply answer these questions, not that really hard question. So you just have to simply set up an account. Then once you have set up your account in Respond.io, first thing you should do here is you have to add your contacts, the contacts that you wanted to send your message to. So probably these contacts are from your WhatsApp account. And then after you have added contacts, and then the next thing to do here is you have to simply create add new segment. And then for example, these people are my staff, something like that. And then proceed. Now, the next thing to do once you have your segment and your contact on that segment is to add new broadcast. Tap this one, enter the broadcast name, and then add labels. But actually, this one is optional. So, for example, staff updates, and then label is like urgent meeting, or let's just say hiring. Okay, everything is up to you. After that, click this create button and then it will take you directly to this. So basically what you're going to do is you just have to simply add your channel or tap the specific channel and then search for your WhatsApp API name. Okay, this is what it looks like. Toggle on the send message only to contacts who have previously interacted with this channel. And then after that, you just have to simply add message template and so on. And basically, you will see a message preview before you send this to your contacts. This is what it looks like. By using Respond.io with WhatsApp AI, businesses can send highly personalized automated bulk messages at scale while maintaining compliance with WhatsApp policies. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.